In this paper, we develop a novel system named Magic Furniture to design multi-function assembly. Here is our motivation. Nowadays, space-saving furniture designs have been more and more popular. By moving certain parts of the furniture along one direction, the shape of the furniture can be reconfigured to different one for multiple functionalities. So the question arises, can we combine multiple pieces of furniture into a new one assisted by the computer? Here is our solution. Given some reference furniture, our system firstly performs a reference alignment to these objects for the space-saving purpose. Then, we employ an algorithm to merge certain pairs of adjacent boards to ensure the design result to have a simple structure. Finally, our system explores proper movement mechanisms on the movable boards, to enable shape reconfiguration. In the alignment stage, we use the 2D projections of the input references to determine a bounding box. We uniformly sample positions to ensure each reference projection to be inside the box. Aiming at ensuring the segmented boards to easily form shapes like the reference projections. We choose the position that yields minimum segmented polygons as the alignment of the projections. The aligned references are further segmented into rectangular pieces. Once two adjacent boards are merged, it means an individual of the filial generation is created by its parent. The filial polygons that do not pass the fitness test would be eliminated from the filial generation. If all filial generation individuals of a polygon are eliminated, such a polygon will be selected to the candidate set. Finally, we choose the best merging result from the candidate set. We employ 4 kinds of mechanisms to tackle 3 types of movements. Here is an example that has been detailed down to the level of individual screws, to demonstrate their fabricability. We simplify the representations of both the 2D projection and 3D model of those mechanisms, based on the movement type and direction of the board, as well as the board size. Our system can determine proper movement mechanisms on the movable boards, to support functionality-related shape reconfiguration of the designed furniture. We develop a user interface to assist users to input the reference furniture objects and select some of them to participate in the design. Illustrate the 2D projections before and after merging optimization, and allow the user to modify the board boundary to refine the designed furniture. These are some designed multi-function furniture and their reconfigured shapes. Here are some more design results. Here is an example of the furniture reconfiguration process. Please note the statuses of the movement mechanisms and the associated reconfigured shapes. To improve the reconfiguration efficiency, we can use locking mechanisms to connect boards with the same movement distances. Thus, such boards can be moved simultaneously. On the other hand, we can also use linkage mechanisms to drive a pair of boards in opposite directions simultaneously. We use the 3D printer to fabricate a prototype guided by one multi-function furniture designed by our system. This validates the usage of the movement mechanisms in shape reconfiguration. Thank you for watching this video.